Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trinidad-style fish broth. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of firm white fish, such as kingfish or snapper, cut into 2-inch pieces. Also, prepare your aromatic vegetables, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery, all finely chopped. Don't forget fresh herbs like thyme and chives for that authentic Caribbean flavor. This combination creates a rich and savory foundation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your fish pieces with lime juice and a pinch of salt, then set them aside. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, cooking for another minute until fragrant. This careful sautéing process is key to developing deep flavors. Now, carefully add your seasoned fish pieces to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in about 6 cups of water or fish stock, ensuring the fish is mostly submerged. Add a sprig of fresh thyme and a few pimento berries. Bring the broth to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fish is tender and flakes easily. Remember, a gentle simmer is crucial for a clear, flavorful broth. Once the fish is cooked, taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. Just before serving, stir in a generous handful of fresh chopped chives and parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Ladle the hot fish broth into bowls, ensuring each serving has a good portion of fish and vegetables. This comforting and nutritious Trinidadian fish broth is perfect on its own or with a side of dumplings. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.